Today we're going to be building Lego Technic set 42176. This is the Porsche GT4 E-Performance. Comes with 834 pieces. This one is one that has the Lego Technic control functionality. So let's get it open and put it together. Okay, so this is Lego Technic set 42176, the Porsche GT Performance. This set comes with 834 pieces, and it retails in the US for $169.99. This set is equipped with the Lego Technic control functionality through the app that you have to download. I'll get into a demo of that shortly. But as far as the car goes, it's a really nice car. Building it around this functionality with the battery box was a lot of fun. There's no real, because of the battery so big, there's no real additional functionality inside the car. There's no seats. It's just the doors open on either side. And then getting quickly to the design. So again, these lights do light up as part of the Technic, the control module. I do like the way they've kind of designed the front and the sides of this. Nothing, obviously, because of the remote control functionality. All the wheels are turned. You can't turn them, but it's all based on the app that you use. The back of the car is nice. I like how they've designed the back of the car here. You see there's a couple of lights here and the stickers, and then the design, the contours, the top of the car as well. The black and the blue colors, I think, are really nice. And I had fun building it again. I mean, the battery is really the biggest part of this. And then you build everything sort of around it. Just quickly taking a look at the instruction manual here. There's a good picture of the car up in the front of the manual, and then it gets right into the build. And then talks a little bit about how to set up the functionality for the Technic control, and then it gets into the build. It's broken out among 6 bags. There's about 200 pages in here. So it didn't take too long. Not really that bad. And then, of course, there's the stickers. So the stickers, there are quite a bit of stickers only on one sticker sheet. Most of it is probably down in the front here, on the sides here, in the back. But I think the stickers, go very well with this car. So in order to use the Technic Control app and to control the functionality of the car, you have to first reach down here and push the green button to turn on the car, and that connects it to the app. Essentially, it connects through Bluetooth, and the battery is charged actually through USB. So it's not you don't need batteries for the kit itself. So the application itself is actually really cool. I'm gonna close out of this. So you can turn the wheels left or right with the app this way. And then you can also speed the car backwards and forwards. Sorry, I'm trying not to. The thing about the control is that it is very sensitive, and the car does take off pretty quickly. That's the accelerator. So now we've tested the caps. Again, you can turn the wheels left or right this way. There are 2 modes. You can turn the lights on or off in the car. There's 2 modes for the speed. One is speed or distance. So you turn it off here. That's for distance. And then this is for speed. This is the accelerator. As you can see, the car does accelerate pretty quickly. And then there's the brake as well. That'll turn on stop the car. See, the car does have functioning lights. And when you put the brake on, the car does slam on the brakes, the brake lights. You can also, I believe, press this, and this is a stopwatch feature. If you make your own sort of track, it will allow you to create a stopwatch in a racing environment, sort of simulate that, which I think is another really cool feature. It'll tell you when it goes, top speed, distance. So there's a lot of cool things you can do with this. I mean, again, this truly is like a next generation remote control through the app. So I guess the question you're probably wondering is it worth $170? If you are looking for a remote control car, there's a few of these Lego Technic e-control models. If you're, looking for something like this is definitely a cool feature. And I know they probably charge about $60, $70 for the battery pack, which may seem extreme. I'm not exactly sure, but this is the first one I bought and built. And I could say it was a nice build. It was a fun car. I mean, it's obviously above the piece count, but I do think that with the included functionality, being Lego, I think it does drive up the price quite a bit. But if you're a Technic fan, again, this is one that you can easily just display, but also, there's some really cool playability features. The fact that you can use your smartphone to remote control and drive the car itself is definitely the reward here. So again, I hope you enjoyed this build and review. And if you did, again, I'd appreciate you clicking on like and subscribe. Once again, I appreciate your support, and thanks for watching.